What's up, people? Today we're going to be checking out that Aicoco AI stream cam. So let's go ahead and get into the box. So Aicoco is a brand that I never heard of, but they reached out and asked if I wanted to check out the cam. So of course I did. So we're going to see what it is. So this is a 1080p webcam that has auto tracking. I also see on the box that you can do landscape or portrait with this camera, so that's pretty cool. So you got your instruction manual, and this is the main thing that I need to look at, which is your hand gesture controls. So you can zoom in, zoom out, have it track you, have it stop tracking you just using these hand gestures. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so you got your USB cable, USB A to USB Type C, and then you have the camera itself. So as I said before, this camera can track you, so that's why you can see this has a swivel to it where it can swing from side to side. Also has like a little magnetic cover for privacy, and then when you're not using it, I believe you can sit this on the side, on the back, yeah, so you can connect it to the back. On the bottom it has your mount. If you want to have this mounted to some type of tripod, you can do that as well. And as you can see here, the camera rotates. So like I said earlier, you can switch this from landscape to portrait mode. So that's also a pretty cool feature that you don't see on most webcams. And then on the back you have your USB Type C. So as far as the build quality, feels really nice, doesn't feel cheap, definitely feels premium. I'm curious to see what the actual video quality on this will be. So I'm going to go ahead and hook this up to my computer, and I'm going to connect it through OBS. That way I can record the video at 1080p to give you an idea what the video quality looks like at its highest setting. So what you're seeing now is coming from the Aicoco AI stream cam. So we're going to go over a couple of the gestures to test those out. So let's go ahead and start with the tracking. So this is the gesture for tracking, and as you can see, as I'm moving, the camera's following me, which is pretty cool. And then you also can zoom in, which the gesture for that is this. So there's two zooms. Now I'm zooming out, then I'm going to zoom all the way out. So this right here is as wide as the camera gets, and that's pretty wide. You can see a good amount of the room. And if you want to zoom back in, zoom one, zoom two, then back out, and back to as wide as you can see, it's still following me. If I want to stop the tracking, all I have to do is hit the stop, and now it will no longer track me. Now, another cool feature of this camera is it can do portrait mode. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this to portrait mode. Now, as you can see, we're recording in portrait mode. So I'm not sure what application you would want to use this for, but if you want to, it's available to you. So all in all, pretty cool. And also in the portrait mode, it'll still do your tracking. It'll still do your zooming. It still has all of the same gestures. Pretty cool. So pretty cool product from Aicoco. I want to thank them for sending this out for me to check out. I definitely appreciate it. If you want to see what the current pricing is, I'll have that down below. If you have any other questions about this device that I didn't answer in this video, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get to them. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.